Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So the market is in green today, so we see some consolidation. Bitcoin above 60,000 but below 62,000. Will it be enough to break 62,000? We will see. So my name is Mike Dankler from CorionX and from the CryptoMinds Global movement. I am bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi, AI gems to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video is a financial advice, so everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and make your decisions based on your research. So guys, hope you see Solana is up. CORX submitted a Solana ETF. So we will see what's happening with Solana, and also we see Jupiter in Solana DEX also jumped, but we see other meme coins, Bonk, Boom, pumping. But good to see that ENS, Ethereum name server, also doing well, and Akash network, an AI related coin, and CFX, a Chinese platform, and also Avalanche. So good to see that Bitcoin and Ethereum is consolidating. And tomorrow, Friday, end of the month and option expiry. So we will see what will happening. Let's go to my Twitter feed and let's see the today most important news. So Bitcoin enjoy the summer. BTC will wait you with its epic run in fall. Let the Wyckoff reaccumulation work out. So it's been 4 days since the first reminder, but based on sentiment this feels we are in the middle of a bull cycle. Time-wise, 1 month and 1 week time frames maintain bullish market structure. We have chopped through the summer and reset every bull cycle prior. So this happening in every bull cycle, a choppy sideways movement, and then we are in the same. So you see here in this circle, you find this choppy sideways movement, and then a parabolic move after the summer. So good to see that something can come to us with this. So next piece of news is BlackRock, the biggest investment manager firm, promotes Bitcoin to mainstream. So guys, Bitcoin is a nascent asset. It's only 1/10 the size of the gold market. So guys, definitely watch this.
System or public policy, there has been a huge amount happening in digital assets, of course, leading to the launch of Bitcoin ETFs. So Jay, since we launched IBIT this year, what are...
So guys, I really like it how they are talking about Bitcoin. So I think they are bringing Bitcoin to the mainstream, to the masses. So Bitcoin is a hedge. BlackRock declares Bitcoin is a hedge against geopolitical and monetary risk. BlackRock asserts that Bitcoin is a hedge against geopolitical uncertainty and monetary risk, reinforcing its growing importance and demand in ever-growing financial landscape. Time to pay attention. So guys, this is happening. This is happening. We were waiting for this to happen. Okay. So grocery prices went up almost 400% in 2 years in the US, and US government CPI is 3.3%. Reality, the purchasing power stolen from you peaked at 29% per year. So 29% is not even too much. Not even too much. That what is this huge inflation that happened in this period. But let's see what's happened. I really like this, so let's play this for you.
I feel like I'm gonna be sick. I just looked through my Walmart history, and I found this Walmart order from 2 years ago for the whole month worth of groceries. 45 items cost $126. A whole month of groceries just for me, basically. But I did notice this reorder all button, and I wanted to see how much it would cost now. Now, This order of 45 items for 1 month would have cost $414. That is 4 times more. How the fuck? How? Like, what?
So guys, the original grocery store order in 2022 was 126, and now the same order is 414, so almost 4x, almost 400%. So guys, let me know what do you think, but this is insane. So Solana price spiked 6% following 1x spot Solana ETF filing. So here you see that there was this filing. Give a like and share all this content. Come here and share all this content. So let's see the news. Okay, Solana surged over 6% minutes after 1x filed a spot Solana ETF with the Securities and Exchange Commissions. So that was a huge spike, but before that also Solana started to recover, and 1x is one of the biggest investment firm that entering crypto, and now they are submitting Solana, and I think also BlackRock submitted Solana ETF. So believe the native token Solana functions similarly to other digital commodities such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, the SEC approved a 1x spot Ether ETF to be listed on stock exchanges, and the fund still awaits approval. The same agency greenlight 1x spot Bitcoin ETF on January. Cool. So good to see that's happening. And let's see what other news do we have. Cool. The Asia Pacific market is heating up for Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. So guys, not just in the US, but also in Asia, ETFs getting more popular. 2 Bitcoin ETFs launched in Australia in June after 6 Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs launched in Hong Kong in April. We will see soon if more enter the market. Okay. So 2 horse races between Australia and Hong Kong as the capture market share heats up. So everybody wants to get the market share, and the race is just starting. Act locally, think globally. The flow of funds in Hong Kong has not matched up to the pre-launch hype, but the hype may be more to blame for that than the products. While the overall ETF market in Asia has seen 20% over the past 10 years, investors' preference for ETFs here is still not as strong as in the US and also in Australia. Hong Kong ETFs. Okay, strategic differences with the crypto ETFs, especially the Hong Kong and Australia markets have different constructs. Hong Kong is a global financial hub with activity oriented around institutional investors. There are fewer regulated exchanges and innovators, while in the US, we saw a reluctant regulator pushed by pent-up demand for crypto ETFs. Okay, ETFs as a service, so that will be then you can use for so many things your ETFs. And guys, we see that voters weigh is in on US presidential debate. Will Trump or Biden mention crypto? This is going on right now, so we'll see tomorrow what's happened. Next, will Bitcoin bulls or bears benefit from this week? Almost 9.3 billion US dollar worth of Bitcoin option expiry. The Bitcoin halving hype long passed, and this month's massive options expiry provides insight into the future of the current BTC bull market. Recent pressure on Bitcoin gave bears a potential of 430 million US dollar advantage. Bitcoin bulls have weak macroeconomic data on their side, which favors a more aggressive rate cut and monetary stimulus campaign. Deribit is an absolute market leader for options, totaling 6.65 billion open interest. Then Chicago Mercantile Exchange and OKX. Okay, So let's see where we do have the major bets at I think around 60,000 if I see right, and the major other part, the bullish part, the calls are at 22,000 US dollar. So I don't know why are options here, but interesting, somebody lost their options. Bitcoin bulls need 64,000 to avoid losses between 57 and 60. There are 660 calls and puts. The net results favors the put sell options by 820 million. Between 60 and 62,000, it's almost there are more calls, but it's almost just half of the options. And between 62 and 64, there are more calls and less puts. The net results favors the put sell options by 105 million, and between 64 and 66 there are so many calls and less puts. The outcome is approximately balanced between call and put options. So I think that would be the fair to get there, but we'll see which camp is stronger. So guys, let's go back and check out other things that we do have here. Cool. The higher risk reward buying BTC at the bull market support band. So we can buy with better risk reward. So higher means better risk reward. If Bitcoin going to the support levels at this bull market support band, and now we are touching it, so we are in the support zone. Okay, Bitcoin, imagine how rate cuts will pump Bitcoin and altcoins. Bitcoin smashed 60,000 when interest rates was 0, and it has smashed 70,000, not 60 but 70,000 at 5% interest rates just right now, and consolidating around the previous all-time high. Altcoins, altcoin market cap, altcoins are due a big vertical pump. We are at the beginning of a bull market. So guys, look at this chart, special indicators that we see here, and then we are here in this higher high, higher low, higher high accumulation zone. So a run up, accumulation, consolidation, run up, consolidation, run up, and then we will reach somehow at least 2.5 million altcoin market cap. So this is the target zone on this chart. So Bitcoin therapists do the math. 21 million Bitcoin just meditating, and 8 billion people is going for it. Bitcoin bull run countdown is ticking. The bull run countdown is ticking, and historically started its bull run 28 weeks on average after the halving. So 28 weeks after the halving. So we are just almost halfway or 1/3 way to the bull run to begin. So guys, I like this chart. Give a like and share this with your friends. Bitcoin whales versus weak hands retail holders. So guys, check this out. So guys, do you see the whale is buying the cheap Bitcoin from the panic seller, and then she is selling at least 3x, so 3x of the original price. So guys, this is insane. So do this, be a whale, not a panic seller. Altcoins, after how many days post-halving will alts reach their all-time high? Make your wealth with buying the right altcoins. This cycle won't be different. All you need to make first million is buying right alts. So 118 days after the halving, there is a peak for altcoins, and then the market is shifting from bullish to bearish. This is how consolidation accumulation happens. Panic, and this is painful and shaky. The consolidation go up and down, and even you think it will broke out, then down, and you feel that it will break down, then actually we need some patience. These are Wyckoff accumulation zones. Post-halving reaccumulation could be a perfect Wyckoff accumulation pattern. So spring soon. We call spring when we have the deepest level and then just going up from there. So actually phase C is spring, and we see there are several phases, and in the last phase E, the structure is breaking out. Altcoin speculation index and global liquidity aligned for the biggest bull run ever. So this is the altcoin speculation index. It's almost at close to the zero. So it means that nobody betting on altcoins yet, and the global liquidity cycle has just started to raise from the bottom. Bitcoin, that was just an average 22% correction, and we have seen 22% correction, so nothing new, but a little bit painful because it lasts longer. And then we have seen this, so it's not new. Cool. Okay, privacy things and beer time has come. Silver Bullet bought some beer. This is a meme coin, but we do have water, also meme coin. So guys, drink some beer or water, and this is a kind of bearish divergence, price going down and RSI is going up. And we talked about in our last video, and you can save this chart from here, and also you can just repost it because I think this is really useful. So now let's go. Just go to PancakeSwap. You can buy CorionX with BNB. Copy the contract address from CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap into the box, and then add liquidity in the version 2 pool. And after you added liquidity in the version 2 pool on PancakeSwap, go to app.corion.io and lock up your LPs in the farm and earn a juicy 50% APR. So guys, let's go and check out the charts. So guys, you see that Bitcoin were in a downtrend, and when reached our lower support zone, then it spiked down, almost touched the 200 days moving average, and now consolidating above the support line. And then, so actually this support has not been broken because it just spiked down, but not close the second day. The candle hasn't closed below the level, so now consolidating, and if it will break up, then we can open a long position, but now just speculating, also preparing some shorts. Maybe it will just make a fake out and then go lower and final capitulation to come. But I think altcoins already capitulated. So guys, thank you for watching, thank you for listening. Let me know how do you like my new shirt, and smash those like, push the bell notification on, and see you in the next video.